Hi, this is Strawberry, and I'm off to Rotterdam right now. It's another city here in the Netherlands, and I'm gonna show you everything that we're gonna do today. Hi, so this is the train to Rotterdam Central, and yeah, you just need to wait. Hi everyone! So, we're in Rotterdam right now. And I'm with Chloe again! Hello! Yeah, so dito na kami nagkita sa Rotterdam Central. And yeah, we'll start walking around. We don't have any plans. Basta yung goal ko today, I really want to ride the water taxi at night. So, hi! So we're having our lunch here at Hi, so we're having our lunch here at Temptation Restaurant here at Rotterdam. And they gave us chili. So we're having kung pao chicken and beef broccoli. So we're walking on our way to Cube House. Chloe, yung baon mong payong. Grabe, ang useful ng payong na baon ni Chloe. Hindi kami mababasa dito. Ang galing. Arrived here at the Cube Houses. Yeah, this is really famous here in Rotterdam. Kakahilo. Yeah. These are the places I see in movies and all that. So cute. It's a rainy day today here at Rotterdam, pero walang makakapigil sa akin mag-shade. Here at the food hall. Sobrang laki and sobrang daming choices. Sising-sisi kami na nag-lunch kami kanina. Grabe, sobrang dami, as in everything you can think of is here. So magda-dessert na lang kami. Bili kami ice cream. Ito yung flavors. Oh, I was talking to him. I didn't hear. Yeah, so we just bought ice cream. Sobrang sising-sisi kami kasi we paid for like 41 euro sa lunch namin kanina. And yung 41 euro na yun, sobrang dami mo nang mabibili dito, as in. Anyway, we'll just come back to Rotterdam, okay? Yeah? Yeah? We're here at Primark right now. And mas madaming choices yung Primark dito kaysa dun sa Primark near me. And I found a bag. This is only for 12 euro. So worth it. Like, ito yung magiging bag ko na pang-alis. Ganyan. Kasi gusto ko yung wallet, phone, and everything ko na important. Nasa harap ko lang. Kasi with my backpack, ang laman lagi niyan is tumbler, power bank, yung mga essentials ko pag aalis. Pero like yung mga ID ko, ganyan, gusto ko nasa harap ko lang. So, I'm gonna buy this one. We're here at Media Market right now. So, bibili ako ng headphones. Oh my gosh, may mga Funko Pop dito. $15.99. Hello! Surprisingly, $29.99 lang siya dito. So, ginrab ko na. So, I bought everything that I need. So, today is Easter, kaya maraming shops na closed ngayon. And ang pinunta talaga namin dito is mga vintage shop, thrift shops, ganyan. All of them are closed. So, yeah, we have no choice but to like tingnan kung ano yung open, ganon. And we're going to try to ride a water taxi. Yeah! Nakaka-excite kasi ito yung one of the fun things you can do here at Rotterdam. So, yeah. Ay. So, ayun yung water taxi. Itong color yellow. Yeah, we're gonna try to ride one. Kahit maulan. It's already... What time is it? Ang ganda. Ang ganda mo kausap. Di ko alam.
Ik kan het wel even stellen.
We're going to Hotel New York via water taxi.
Centrale
And it's €4 each.
Ja. Ik heb 2.
Hi everyone! So, nandito na kami sa Hotel New York. We rode a water taxi going here. And here it is. You can look up on Google what happened here, but there's so much history here. So, we're going to check if we can go in because it's Easter today. We're not sure if there are tables available for drinks. So, this is the toilet at Hotel New York. This is so cool. Yep. Yeah. Nice. There we go. So cool. So we're on our way back now to the Central Station. We're gonna leave this. It will be about a 15-minute boat ride. We're so excited. Like, we're at the back of the boat kasi nung papunta kami, medyo hindi maganda yung view pag nasa harap ka. So, yeah. Grabe, na-enjoy ko itong day na to. Thank you, Lord. Woo! boat ride experience mo, rate mo 1 to 10. 9 ako 10. Sobrang saya ko. Anyway, it's already 8 p.m. here and look kung gaano kaliwanag. Grabe, sobrang
Springtime.
yeah, it's already spring. But we have to go home kasi kukuha pa ako ng gamit sa amin. Meron kaming spotty sleepover tonight. We're on our way home.